Look at that ship. There we go, there's the
Unfortunately, right at
ship.
the last minute. So cool though.
Mom, your arms are wet.
Considering the throttle.
Not your head.
Oh, I know, that throttle. Not the best. Sorry, Mom. I
No,
mean,
it's not your fault.
Mom.
Are we holding? Yeah.
That's,
That is so cool. Look at all those people on there.
look at that shit over there. And there's a speed. And that one right over there, that little white one, is a speed ferry.
Are we still too far back?